Hey guys, what is up? It is Zipporah here. So I'm gonna try not to talk your head off too much like I'm really good at doing. But anyway, we are going to be turning 2 kitchen chairs into a love seat today. So I thought I would take you along on that little adventure because it's actually not too hard so far. But yeah, so just stay tuned and we will see what we can do with those bad boys because I'm pretty excited. Okay, so I actually apologize because I did not intend to film, but anyway, this is us. We took the arm off of the other chair and put it on the other side with a drill and the cute pupper. But yes, looking beautiful, and I just went through and spray painted them gold, and yeah, thank you for the boyfriend for helping out. Alright, so this is what we got, and now I'm just going to go through with some plywood and I'm going to measure out and just get a piece that fits that perfectly, and then we are one step closer to being done with our luxurious love seat. Oh yes, Cersei, model it, baby, model it. Yeah, these are the other two. I'm gonna put white cushions on, and those are gonna be for our kitchen, but our table is small, so these two become something magical. Alright, so we are just going to go over what supplies I think we might need. I'm not a professional, so I actually don't know, and we're just kind of gonna go for it. Hope it all turns out. Should not be flying scissors around. Step number 1, safety, but scissors. We are also going to need some of this like fluffy stuff. Girl, yes. And your fabric you're going to be covering it with. So I have like this faux leather white canvasy material. I also have about an inch thick foam and about 2 inches thick of foam, and I actually don't know what I'll actually be using nor what I'm actually doing. We're just kind of gonna wing it because that's what I'm good at. Alright, so what I think we're gonna do as our first step is take our 2-inch foam, lay out your piece of plywood cut to your surface. My dog loves this, by the way. You think it's a new bed? Yeah, oh hello, thank you. Hi cutie. And we're just gonna lay it on top and a snip snip. Alright, as you see here, the plywood is on top and a snip snip. I think I'm just going to leave this little allowance that is already there just so when it tucks in, it gives it a little bit of cushion on the side. Ya feel. Yes. Very cute. Very cute. I'm taking the 1-inch foam and I'm probably just going to kind of wrap it around and then staple it on this part. We'll need a staple gun and some staples. Alright, so now I'm just going to take this, wrap it around, and plop some staples in it so it gives it a super cushiony vibe. Sorry for my strand. Now I'm just going to put a thin coating of this kind of all around it. Okay, so I just went through and stapled the fabric all around it, pulling and stretching as much as I could. Does not look that beautiful, but you flip it around, it looks a little something like that. And again, I'm not a professional. There are some creases in it, but you know what? That is okay. We will be doing something a little bit better than this, but to connect them for right now, what chair? If all else fails, a blanket fixes everything. We're just gonna go through and screw all of these right in the little holes to then attach our new seat. Come on, our new seat. Da da da, da 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 da, ba 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 ba. Okay, I scared my dog. Oh my gosh, guys, I am shook right now. Obviously, you can kind of tell I'm gonna figure something out for that eventually, but for now, voila. A love seat out of kitchen chairs. my gosh, guys, we did it! I'm so excited. I'm shook right now. Look at how cute that turned out. I feel accomplished. What do you guys think about this? I might just, you know, quit my life dreams, start a new dream of creating couches out of chairs. That's just gonna be my thing. Goodbye, guys. Living my life to its fullest. So happy though. So definitely, if you guys end up turning kitchen chairs into a love seat, let me know. And I want to see pictures. I want to see proof that I'm not the only crazy bored one in here. I'm really bad at actually uploading these videos because I feel like people don't care what I craft, but I care and I love to craft. So, you know, we're doing it anyway. Also, just a little side note to say thank you to my fabulous boyfriend. He actually got super excited when I told him about this project and asked if he could help, so I threw him in the dirty work. Like, yeah, you wanna help? Sure, go have fun with this. But no, he helped a ton and I'm super thankful for that. But remember, girls, with a little bit of safety goggles and a jigsaw, you can get a lot done yourself. So just remember that. Anyway, aside from all of the rambles, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you had a very fabulous time watching me possibly struggle at some points with this beauty. So, have a great day, guys. Bye.